Okay, so this door slides into a pocket. Welcome to another episode of Interior Design with Rae. So today I'm going to walk you through this computer 5-room HDB apartment at Bukit, Batok. Okay, so this is the 5th video, which will be the last. Previously, I've already uploaded 4 videos. So I'm sure you are able to gather a lot of information from the 4 videos. Okay, but so today I'm going to show you a quick home tour of the completed home. My clients have already moved in for about a month or so. Let me just walk you through to look at the design, okay, and also the function of the place. Okay, so without further ado, let's take a look now. Okay, hi guys, this will be the main entrance for here. Like I mentioned in all my previous videos, right, I have segregated entrance for here for my client so that there's some privacy. Okay, so this divider has got the fluted glass, okay, with some simple display with a small downlight, okay, and then a curved feature wall. Okay, so there's a LED strip here. Okay, this LED strip is controlled by a kinetic switch, so the main switch will have to be turned on. So at this kinetic switch, just press once and then it will brighten up. Okay, you can also control the dimness or the brightness of the strip. Okay, then if you continue pressing, you will just go to the brightest. Okay, so to off it, press once and you will slowly turn off. Okay, so this kinetic switch is quite useful, right, because it's like a remote control. Okay, so you can set different areas. Okay, so this is the entrance. Okay, and then behind the living and then the dining. So there are 3 switches here. So as I mentioned the last time, right, this is the shoe cabinet. Inside is this rotatable shoe rack. Okay, so you can watch my previous video that I actually highlighted this shoe rack. Okay, all the previous video I did not show you the wallpaper. Okay, so today I'm going to show you. So at the feature wall here, you can see it has got this very nice textured stone look wallpaper. Okay, so it goes all the way inside here and it curves the entire feature wall of the TV. So from far you can still see the texture, which is quite interesting. So I also use this wallpaper for this divider here. So this wallpaper wraps around the perimeter of the window opening, and of course the entrance to the passageway or to the private spaces. Okay, there's one more window opening here. Okay, so as you walk along, this part here would be the TV, the internet connection, all they are here. So this is a router, there's a modem. Okay, so everything is here, so very convenient. I make it deeper so you can put more things in there. Okay, so it's a flush fitted door. Okay, or it just looks like a part of the feature wall. Okay, so this is the entrance to the kitchen. Okay, there's a... Okay, actually you have to push the door a little bit to get that soft closing or soft opening function. Okay, and then soft closing. So these 2 doors lead to the kitchen. Okay, so this door slides into a pocket. Behind here, this area is the storeroom door with a flush fitted door as well. In order to have the door slide behind, this wall has to bring out. Okay, so this wall depth and that wall depth, they are the same. So as you enter the kitchen, very clean look. Okay, nothing fanciful. Top storage, bottom sintered stone, top with the sintered stone backsplash. Okay, so this is a line 8 power track. From what I know, line 8 has you can choose different color and different pattern for their tracks. Okay, some other brands don't have that. Okay, this is an induction hob. a very small one with a small hood on top. Okay, always remember your hood has to be bigger than your hob. Okay, not the other way around. Over here is the dishwasher, and over here there's a pull-out rack where you can pull out, okay, and then slide. Okay, so once you slide, you can pull this out as well. Okay, right? So all soft closing. That, and push it back in and close the door. Okay, yeah, one thing, right, this is the sauce rack. Okay, so sauce rack at the side, everything kept inside neat and nice. Okay, so over here you see a full height cabinet. Okay, so this full height cabinet has got this raised up door from Bloom. Okay, there's a coffee maker. Of course, there's a light at the back, and you can put it out for easy usage. And just push it in back. And this one, just bring it down. Soft closing as well. Okay, let's proceed to. Okay, so if you look at this kitchen sink, it's a very nice kitchen sink, quite deep. Under mount, okay, under mount you can see there's a bit of space underneath the cinder stone top. Okay, so it goes round. Okay, and over here, of course, the yard area. So yard area, keep it neat and nice, no mess. There's a washing machine and a dryer. Okay, side by side. Laundry basket or caddy where you can put in your detergent. Okay, the microwave ovens and all this actually here. So the frying will be all done over at this side here. So very spacious. All the doors have been removed. Okay, so it allows a lot of air to enter to the living and dining. Okay, let's close this door. As mentioned, right, there's feature wall dining. This pendant light, okay, it's a very sleek pendant light. Right, it suits overall the design. And one thing I need to mention is this display console, or we call a credenza. So this side console consists of a sintered stone top, some drawer storage, and a door, two doors for storage. The reason to have this cabinet is because this is a recliner sofa. Okay, so it needs power source to recline. So the power points and the driver of the recliner is hidden inside this cabinet. So at the back, you can see there's some cabling running into the back of this console. Okay, so that's like a flip-up panel where you can keep the driver of the recliner, okay, inside. And there's power points. So I especially designed this display console, okay, with that rounded edges. Okay, one here and one there. Okay, and then there's a little bit upturn to prevent things from dropping, because this is not very deep. So this is the door. Okay, the door opens from here. And then one more door. And of course the drawers. Okay, so at the back there isn't any storage. So what you're seeing now is the computer divider that divides the private spaces and the communal area. So with all the lights brightened up, it actually illuminates the passageway very nicely. There are three here, three lights. Okay, so this is the common bathroom. Okay, so with the common bathroom, right, all the tiles were hacked down or hack away. All the water pipings were reinstalled. This is the shower area and vanity. So vanity has got the sinter stone as well. Mirror storage, and then niche for some display. So the location of the WC you can't change. The vanity you can change, but sometimes you have to consider the shower area. So the shower area cannot be too small also. Okay, just to mention this wall here. also has the shampoo niche at the back, so it's like a back to back. So this is higher, this is lower. Okay, so it serves the shower area. Okay, and just to mention a little bit on the door here, this is a clear tempered glass door with an opaque film. There is a stick behind. Okay, so this opaque film will give you more privacy. You can see, can't really see much. Okay, even if I close the door, okay, you can't really see through with the light turned on inside the bathroom. Okay, so that gives you lots and lots of privacy if you are someone who is concerned about seeing silhouette or moving shadows, okay, inside the bathroom when the lights are turned on. So as you step into this area here, okay, this will be the study room with the fluted glass panel. So this fluted glass panel allows a lot of light to penetrate into the passageway, and I've relocated the door to this direction. Okay, so this is a flush fitted door. This study room belongs to the master. Okay, so he has a writing table here, some wardrobe for himself, extra storage, and his printer stuff, and a massage chair. Okay, so this is his personal space. Nothing fanciful, just very straightforward storage and usage. Okay, so this is a flush fitted door. So let me just close slowly. Okay, so beside the common bathroom, okay, there's this common bedroom and also the master bedroom entrance. Okay, so I've relocated the entrance of the master bedroom with a flush fitted door with a feature here. This is actually the side of the wardrobe. Okay, so to enter, just push the door, and you can see that it's quite spacious. Okay, this is a king size recline bed with some mechanism at the bottom, so it needs a power source. At the back, there's this wall light, interesting one. You can move around, and then of course on top there's this strip light, so you can see the curved part here. So for strip light, you have to buy those that can be curved, so it comes in a set, right? So you have to buy according to the length, okay, and then ask your electrician to curve it. Okay, curve it. Okay, especially this part here and this part here. Okay, it has to be curved. Right, the normal LED strip can't do that. Okay, because of the casing of the LED strip, they are all straight. Okay, you can't curve that. You can curve the diffuser, but it's a lot of work. Okay, for the carpenter. Right, so at the side of this side table, there's a full mirror. Can you see it enhances the wardrobe depth? Okay, so this you can see there's an entire row of wardrobe. So I've bought this recess handler online, and the color matches very well with the wood laminate. So what you see here, they are all wardrobes, right? And there's an entrance to the bathroom. Okay, also a flush fitted door. Okay, so in this master bathroom, there's a wall-mounted WC. Okay, of course, you can choose the buttons, pattern or the texture. So this one is like a fabric, and the water tank definitely is inside. So pros and cons having a wall-mounted WC. Okay, the heart of the system has to be very good, or the flushing system. It has to last you for 10-15 years. If not, then there's no way you can access the water tank, and the only way is to hack away all the waters. Okay, so that's going to be very messy. Okay, so as mentioned in my previous video, okay, there's this open niche, okay, for some display, mirror storage, vanity cabinet with a sintered stone top. Okay, and then I built up this wall here with a sliding glass door that slides behind this wall to save space. If not, you can't swing. Okay, if you swing here, a bit tight. Okay, if you swing here, it's going to hit the mixer. At the mixer side, there's also a shampoo niche. These are practical items that you want to consider while building up a force wall out like that. Okay, force wall out this is a false wall, this is a low brick wall. So all these are important storage that or display area that can beautify your bathroom. So don't forget the box up. Of course, the box up, sometimes you can add a bit more box up and add some downlights just to enhance the wall, because the wall has got some very nice texture. Okay, very nice texture. Right, so all these spotlight will be able to enhance it very well. There's one here, but that's for at night, right? Because there's no light here. So there's one spotlight here that shines just for the shower area. There's a fake handle here. I mean, it's not fake, but it's real. Just that it's in the middle. Okay, it's not at the edge of the door opening. Okay, because all these are at the edge of the door opening. Okay, one thing to mention, if you have a L window, so usually I will suggest doing a curtain that has got a curved track. Okay, so you can curve the curtain and then it's like one full piece rather than you have one small panel here and then a bigger panel here. Okay, so ask your curtain supplier to provide you with a curved track at the top. So this is a full piece. Okay, of course here, no issue. Okay, this is a full piece going up. It's a curtain pelmet. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. Okay, I've already completed the entire home tour and I hope you have enjoyed what I've shown you. So continue to watch my other videos and see you soon.